If no one is booking your styling services, you're a personal stylist, guess whose fault it is? Yours. Yours! But in today's video, we're going to talk about why this is happening to you, and hopefully we're going to figure out how to keep that from happening to you. So before we jump in, my name is Lauren Messiah. I am a stylist, the author of the book Style Therapy, and founder of Style Boss Academy, the online business school for stylists. So let's get into it. What are the 5 reasons why no one is booking your styling services? And I know this is happening. I know this is happening because I get the DMs all the time. Why y'all think you can just DM me and dump your problems on me? Come on now. So this is why we have this video. I'm just gonna be sending you the link to this video. This is why nobody's booking you. Reason number 1, why no one is booking your styling services is because no one knows you're a freaking stylist. Y'all, this blows my mind. I cannot tell you how many people are just like baffled by the fact that they don't have clients. And then I go to their social media and I'm like, how would I know? How would I know? How would I know you're a stylist? I see a picture of your dog. I see a picture of you on vacation, you shopping. I see one little outfit of the day post from you. How was I supposed to know? How would your clients know? Yo, you got to hit people over the head with stuff. Hit them over the head and there will still be people that don't get it. I literally had people be like, wow, I had no idea that you teach stylist. You have no idea. I've been doing this for 13 years. It's all I talk about. Are you kidding? You have to hit people over the head so hard if you want them to know. So make sure your social media accounts say in your bio, you're a stylist, you're accepting clients. Make sure the content on your feed screams, I'm a stylist who you can book and pay money to. If that's not there, duh, no wonder no one's booking you. Moving on. Number 2 is you lack clarity around who you serve. Listen, y'all have me wanting to roll up my sleeves and fight a stylist. That's what I want. I want to, come on, let's get in the ring. Let's fight. Stylists, for some reason, they don't want to define who they work for. Maybe it's your artistic spirit, right? Your like creative spirit. Oh, I want to style everybody. Everybody, come, let me style you. And I made that mistake in the beginning of my career. I said, oh my God, style men, women, children. Who else wants some? You got a pet that wants style? I'm down. No. You have to define who you serve. All money's not good money. When you define who you want to serve, people will be attracted to you. They'll be like, this is the perfect stylist for me. This is amazing. So if you don't have clarity around who the perfect people are to style, no one's going to find you. No one wants to hire a General Gus. They want a specialist. Get special. Number 3, why no one is booking you for styling service is because you're not as good as you think you are. I said it. You're not that good. You're not that good. When I first wanted to work in fashion, I was like, baby, I'm fashion queen. Ooh, I'm fashion queen. It wasn't until I started to work as a celebrity stylist that I was like, ooh, I don't really know as much as I thought I knew. I was working under some of the best stylists in Hollywood, and they'd be like, cool, go to Neiman's and, pull XYZ. And I'm like, I'd never even been in a Neiman's. I don't know any of these brands. I don't know this stuff. Early in my career, a client booked me and she was a plus size client and I had never dressed anyone plus size. And I'm like, ooh, I have a lot to learn. So I learned everything. I learned everything about style and I also learned everything about business. You're not that good. So stop thinking, oh, I'm the best. Now, a healthy amount of ego is important in business. I'm just going to put that out there. We'll save that for another video. But strive to be the best and then be the best. Reason number 4 is you are generic as fuck. You are generic. So many stylists are copying what other stylists are doing. They'll look on a website, ooh, so-and-so stylist offers a 2-hour closet cleanse. I'm going to offer a 2-hour closet cleanse. Ooh, I saw that Lauren does XYZ with her clients. I'm going to do XYZ with my clients. No, you're not original. You're generic. You're a knockoff. Yeah, I said it. You're a knockoff. You're the Forever 21 of stylists, and nobody wants that. Stop being generic, get original, and get intentional for the people that you want to serve. And I'm telling you, they will come running. They will come running. Who wants second best? Who wants the knockoff? I don't. And number 5, your pricing is all wrong. Your pricing is all wrong. This is why no one's booking you. If you're priced too low, yeah, I bet you thought I was going to say too high. If you're priced too low, people won't be interested. Let's say, I don't know if anyone has this dream or desire, but let's say Kim Kardashian's looking for a new stylist. And she sends her people to look and go and find a stylist. They're like, ooh, I like her. She looks good. How much are you? And you're like, my styling package is $200. Do you think Kim Kardashian would be interested in you? She's like, what's wrong with that stylist? Why is she so cheap? Ick, ew, forget about it. Next. You could be underpricing. You could be overpricing. Let's say you're like, ooh, I want to help, recent college grads transform so they have a wardrobe for their, first job. Okay, sure. My package is $20,000. You think a recent college grad has $20,000 to spend on their wardrobe? Fool. Everything has to be in alignment. Who you attract, your pricing, your skills, it all has to work. It all has to click for people to be booking you. So take a look at this list. If anything's off, evaluate it. If you don't know how to fix that problem, hire someone who can help you. Style Boss Academy will be reopening in the spring. Make sure you're opening my emails for the exact date and time. In the meantime, you can download my freebie. I have a free ebook about how to book your first styling client, and I give you 5 success secrets that are going to help you with some of these things, specifically your mindset. Look at this. This is not no rinky-dink ebook with 4 pages. There's 20-something pages in here. Thing's big. It's full. Get on it, because you can't just keep sitting around and be like, oh, nobody booked me. Do something about it. Remember what I said in the beginning of the video? It's your fault. It's your fault, which is great news because it means you can fix it. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Give me a little thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.